In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Minecraft check your account error. The first step is you want to open up Task Manager, go to Details, scroll down until you find M. In the M section, we want to look for anything Minecraft related. So this can be Minecraft.exe or Minecraft Launcher.exe or something. If you have it, you want to click on it and end task. Once we've done that, you want to come here and search for run. Type in wsreset.exe. This is going to reset your Microsoft Store. So just wait a few seconds. There we go. Now what you want to do from in here is you want to click on your icon and then you want to log out of your account and then you want to click and log back in. So just log out of your Store account and then log back in. Once we've done that, you want to come back here, search for change date and time. You want to search for the date and time settings, and in here we want to change a little bit. We want to make sure the set time automatically is on. If you already have it on, just click off and then on again. And then you want to press sync now to synchronize your clock. Once we've done all of this, what we can do is we can come here and search for Minecraft Launcher, right click, app settings, scroll down, press terminate, press repair, and then reset in that order. Once you've done all of this, we can try and search for Windows Update. Take the latest Windows Update, and once you've done that, restart your PC, and now Minecraft should work. If it's still not working for some reason, Apps and Features, Minecraft, try and uninstall, and then go and install it again from the Microsoft Store. So basically just a reinstall. Now once we've done all of this, it should work. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.